Here we have an abandoned railroad crossing in Anderson Road in Town and Country, Florida. This crossing hasn't been used since 2006. Well, the base is SafeTran. It looks like it has a SafeTran bell. And it looks like it has a SafeTran base. And it looks like it has SafeTran lights. The overhead lights are SafeTran lights. Yes. Man, it's really old. It's really a SafeTran headlights. That was... The other one has SafeTran lights. I wonder what's that bell. And I can cross the street and go over to this signal that is very old. And it has a very rusty mechanical bell. It has SafeTran overhead lights, SafeTran smaller lights, SafeTran systems corp base, SafeTran gate mechanism. This is a cantilever. And this is a Harmlink base. And report emergency problem or emergency 1-800-232-0144. And it states Xing, and it is by CSX. So yeah. Yes. Yeah, and the lights are very old. Yes, it's really an old crossing, if I would recall you. And also, I forgot to show you the other bell that's on this. The other one is a SafeTran mechanical bell.
See CSX transportation?
Yes. Yes. The old sign. And oh no, the lights are not SafeTran. Those are Harmlink lights. So yeah. Abandoned railroad crossing in Anderson Road in Town and Country, Florida. Over.